Hey Joshua, I do not know how to generate leads and convert those leads into sales. When I get on a call with clients, these are things they tell me. I do not know how to build a system, a funnel, automation, processes. I need someone like you that can show me, that can sit next to me. I fully understand when I got started online, I was not tech savvy at all. I never understood automations, generating leads online, converting those leads into sales, building an email list whereby you are nurturing that list with email automation responders, building that deeper connection, that deeper know, like, and trust, whereby your potential prospects will be like, wow, you are definitely the go-to person. You are the professional, the expert that can take me from point A to point C, whereby I can get results, get transformation. So if you want me to build your system for you, in front of you, I need to be sitting next to you on your smartphone so that I can show you how to generate leads effectively and efficiently. Contact me on 081 074 9393, including WhatsApp. I'll be waiting.